Ever wonder what it's like to bank like a boss? Ever feel like your bank is stuck in the slow lane while your business is rocketing towards success? You're not alone. Traditional banks can be cumbersome, with outdated systems and fees that feel like a constant anchor. So, what if there was a better way? A way to ditch the frustration and embrace a banking experience built specifically for the modern entrepreneur? That's where Tide comes in. But wait, is it Tide Bank or just Tide? Hold your horses, we'll get there. While Tide Bank might roll off the tongue easily, it's actually not the full name. Tide is a financial technology company, often referred to as a fintech company, that offers a suite of financial services specifically designed for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Think of it as your one-stop shop for managing your business finances, minus the long lines, endless paperwork, and hidden fees. But why Tide? What makes them different? Here's the thing, traditional banks often treat small businesses like afterthoughts. They have complex systems, limited features for managing your business finances, and fees that can eat away at your precious profits. Tide, on the other hand, gets the hustle. They understand the unique challenges faced by entrepreneurs and have built their platform with those challenges in mind. So, what exactly does Tide offer? 1. Effortless account opening, no more paper chase. Forget spending hours filling out endless forms. With Tide, opening a business account is a breeze. You can sign up online in minutes, ditching the traditional bank branch hassle entirely. 2. Ditch the fees, embrace simplicity. Tide offers transparent pricing with a flat monthly fee structure. No more hidden charges or nickel-and-diming on every transaction. You know exactly what you're paying for up front, allowing you to better manage your business finances. 3. Features built for you, the busy entrepreneur. Tide goes beyond just a basic checking account. They offer features specifically designed to streamline your business finances, such as mobile app convenience. Manage your finances on the go with their user-friendly mobile app. Deposit checks, pay bills, transfer funds, all from your smartphone. Seamless integration. Integrate your Tide account with popular accounting platforms like Xero or QuickBooks for effortless bookkeeping. Easy bill pay. Simplify your life with automated bill payments, ensuring you never miss a due date. Debit cards for your team. Issue virtual or physical debit cards to your employees for business expenses, with spending controls for added security. 4. Built-in tools to help you grow. Tide doesn't just handle your transactions, they help you grow your business. They offer resources like educational content. Access a library of articles, webinars, and workshops designed to empower you as an entrepreneur. Networking opportunities. Connect with other entrepreneurs and experts through Tide's online community. Is Tide right for you? If you're a busy entrepreneur tired of dealing with the limitations of traditional banks, then Tide might be the perfect solution. They offer a streamlined banking experience with features that cater specifically to the needs of growing businesses. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution for banking. Do your research, compare different options, and choose the platform that best fits your business needs and growth goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.